Hey, my friends, it's Rob Schout. I'm having my last cup of coffee and then heading out the door right now. But did you know that if you wanted me to read at an event, there are so many things that you can do? You can host a poetry party in your home and I will be there. You can connect me with a local library for an author or a reading event. So please share my media packet with them. And if they're interested in any children's readings or poetry readings or other kinds of author events, help me make the connection. You can let a school that you are associated with, a college, a university, or a high school, let them know that I can zoom into their classes, do some readings for students, and also have some discussions with them. You can share my media kit that you can get online right now with an independent bookstore so that they too can host an event if they are looking for authors or poets for their events. There is so much that you can do. I invite you to all the events that I am going to be hosting. Please check out my page right now for the upcoming events, but you can host them too and you can facilitate them. I hope that you can do this. All of the events includes readings, storytelling, discussions, laughter, and lots of fun. I look forward to seeing you at some of the events, and I look forward to your invitations. Have a fantastic day.